Hello everybody, it's me Sebastian, and today we'll be solving an algebra problem. And without further ado, let's begin. The problem is find the general term of the sequence defined by x sub 0, which is equal to 3, x sub 1 to 4, and x sub n plus 1 is equal to x sub n minus 1 squared minus n times x sub n for all n natural numbers. So let's begin. First, I would actually try to compute few terms of the sequence. So let's try to compute x2. X2 is equal to x0 squared minus minus 1 times x1. And this is equal to 9 minus 4, which is 5. Okay, now let's compute x sub 3. X sub 3 is x sub 1 squared minus 2 times x sub 2, and this is equal to 16 minus 10, which is 6. Let's also compute x sub 4. X sub 4 is equal to x sub 2 squared minus 3 times x sub 3, and this is equal to x sub 2 was 525 minus 18, which is 7. Now you may have noticed a pattern where it goes like this: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So we can actually conjecture that the general term of the sequence is defined by the general term of the sequence is xn is equal to n plus 3, because for x2 it would be 5, x3 it would be 6, x4 it would be 7, and so on. Now to prove this, we could use strong induction. We have the base cases here, up here, and now we can make an induction hypothesis. So let's do that. So let's suppose that all numbers n to xn equal to this formula works for all n that is less than or equal to k. Okay. Now our induction step is xk plus 1, and we have to prove that we have to prove that x sub k plus 1 is equal to x k minus 1 squared minus k times x sub k. Okay, let's begin. So x sub k plus 1 is we have to prove that this is equal to this. By definition, we know that x sub k plus 1 is equal to x sub k minus 1 squared minus k x sub k. Okay, but we know how to compute x sub k and x sub k minus 1. So let's do that. So x k plus 1, let's actually move down. So we know how to compute this. Therefore, we will have 3 plus k minus 1 squared minus k plus 3 times k plus 3. From here, we'll get the following expression. Okay. Now we can simplify this further. This is equal to k squared plus 4 plus 4k minus k squared minus 3k. From here, k squared and minus k squared will be 0. 4k minus 3k will be k, and we're left with x sub k plus 1 is equal to 4 plus 4 plus k. And this is the same as 3 times 3 plus k plus 1. And that's it. That's the end of the proof. Thanks for watching.